Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to give you a quick video to kind of go over how class is going to go from now on, since the remainder of the class will be online instead of in person. You'll notice here in Blackboard that I've changed some things. I created a new section called Online Class. There's a direct connection to Collaborate, so if you ever want to come in here and talk to me, you can just click into this and click into our class discussion and you can get access to me. There's also a direct connection to the discussion board, which is right here for you. Those rules of order discussion boards, that was from that Start Here module if you had wanted to do it. You'll see we have the online class number 1 discussion boards that are here, and then we started with, and then I changed it up since we're all going online, to chapter 10 discussion board, and then it'll be chapter 11 discussion board, etc., etc. Okay. You'll also see here is education and accountability. That was the beginning of the unit. This is the one that I'm giving you until today, March 26th, to get done. These are the 5 things you're supposed to do. Finish your message boards, take your quiz. We will no longer have unit tests. We will just do the quizzes from now on. They are untimed, and you are more than welcome to use your textbook to help you with them. I don't mind. Then updating your observation hours, your Board of Education report, and your reading notes for the unit. And here are the connections for you to be able to load up all of this information for yourself, okay? And then the direct links for your discussion boards. Then beginning today, we're moving into chapter 10, or what I have here, Education and Accountability, part 2. For this one, you are doing a series of things. You're going to continue your observation. Oops, I'm sorry, that's the old stuff. Now here's our revised online class. You're going to do all 4 message board posts. And then you're also going to do your chapter 10 quiz. So for your message board posts, you are required to reply to all of your peers. So it's about a minimum of 20 total posts that you are going to do to receive full credit. So here is a PowerPoint for the whole chapter, which you are more than welcome to get into to assist you. I'll bring that up for you. But here is your PowerPoint. It kind of goes over the important information for each of the parts of the chapter to be able to help you out with some stuff. They are not voiced over, but you're more than welcome to kind of use them to be able to get some basic information. I'm going to close that out. And then there are the discussion boards, so you would click into here, and you'll see all 4 of the discussion prompts are right there, and you'll see I have not read them yet. Somebody has already posted starting with those, so you'll be doing those. And then the final thing that you will do is your chapter 10 quiz. Okay, this work is going to be due by next Tuesday, so the 31st. So you have from now the 26th and through until the 31st to be able to get this done. And I'll also put this in writing in an announcement that I send out to you. But that's pretty much it. I know some of you do not have observation hours done. We are working on getting those set up, and we will be able to talk through that. Okay? Have a good one, and I will talk to you all later.